doing this 6 o'clock in the morning. Why do we do half the things that we do? But in my sleep, I kept thinking about all the steps that I needed to do with this application. So I started from scratch. And then I used Netlify to deploy my application. Check this out. I'm using Claude to make improvements to the application. And it's really good. But I wanted to share this with you all because I want y'all to help me test it out and see if it's actually something useful. So I was inspired to do this because of the work that I do with small businesses. And recently my friend called to get some advice on a new website that she's building. And she was asking me if the tools that her client was using integrated properly with each other. And I was able to do a mapping out session where we went through this tech stack and we saw the tech stack that her client was using. But then we needed to determine what's better to use and what's not okay to use. So that inspired me to make this quick little application that I want to test out with other people who might be using like 4 or 5 different tools. And what it's supposed to do is let you know whether or not these tools play nice with each other, whether or not you're going to run into any issues using these different tools, and more importantly, how much it's going to cost you to use these different tools. So I'm really excited about it. Knowing me, I'm probably showing you on the side what this already looks like. And right now I'm working on my email situation so I can like send emails back and forth. But I'm really excited about it. Y'all let me know what y'all think. And I'm gonna stop whispering because I think I need to wake my kids up for school. Or they might already be up. And they're probably like, Mom, why are you whispering? You're being weird. Stop being weird. So I'm gonna go back to this. All right. Bye, y'all. It's an hour later. I got an email for work. I got it to work. Now we're changing up the report to add. To add everything that we need to add to the report. Doing that, and I think we're done with this tool. I think after this, I just need to set up my my email templates, set up my it's called something, Jesus. Lord, my brain. I lost it. I want to set up my broadcast. I don't know why they call it broadcast. I used to call it, like, we used to call it something else in MailChimp, where, I guess a campaign, email campaign. I'm going to set those up. This is exciting. So I will say some takeaways when it comes to using a AI website builder or web application builder is my experience as a quality engineer helps a ton. Because you don't want to just automatically take what AI gives you and like launch that to production. Like, you want to know what you're building and you want to know how it works. And you want to test it out and you want to give it feedback to make the possible adjustments. So, like, I think the one thing I always worried about when I either do web design or I'm trying to build something is because technology is rapidly changing. Oh my God, I'm not whispering. I need to whisper. Okay, I thought I woke somebody up. But because technology is rapidly changing, as a founder, you constantly think, well, why am I building this when somebody can just do this themselves? But the answer to that is they're not doing it themselves. So you have to make it easier. So now, oh yay, okay, we just made updates. This is my last video update, hopefully. But yeah, test it out. Let me know.